Hello everybody, welcome to my cooking channel. So now I'm going to cook sweet sour sardine fish. So first of all, I'm going to fry the fish. Sour fish. So first of all, stir fry the big onion. I'm using the leftover of the oil, the one I used to fry the fish just now. Chili sauce, tomato sauce, oyster sauce, put some water, cucumber, and tomato. Cukup rasa. Sugar. Nice. Sweet sour sardine fish is ready. Look at that, guys. Mantap. Now I'm going to make sambal shredded fish. I'm going to use the same fish just now, which is the fish I already fried, the sardine. First of all, I'm going to fry all the ingredients to make the sambal. So this one is bawang bombay, tomato, chili, and garlic. found the ingredient, the one that fried just now. This one is the fish, the one already I shred. Salt, a bit of salt, and aji. Okay, mix again. Taste it first. Wow, mantap this one. Mantap. Put lime. Mix it. Woohoo! This one the best, this one. There. Taste it again. The best. Look at that. Mantap. This one is sweet and sour sardine fish. And then this one is sambal shredded fish with tomato. Mantap.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessicajvst. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessicajvst to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.